Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Govee lights to SignalRGB. Open the Govee Home app on your smartphone. Select the device you want to connect. In the top right corner, tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll until you find LAN control. Toggle LAN control to on. You must repeat this step for every Govee device you want to use with SignalRGB. If you do not see the LAN control option, check that your device is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Now move to your PC. Open SignalRGB. Go to Settings, then open Add-on Settings. Look for the Govee add-on in the list. Make sure it is enabled. If it is not enabled, turn it on. After enabling the add-on, completely restart SignalRGB. Close the program and open it again. Once SignalRGB restarts, it will scan your local network. If everything is set up correctly, your Govee devices should appear automatically. You can now add them to your layout and control them like your other RGB devices. Thanks for watching.